Guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to customize the old-fashioned WordPress login page, this page right here. Normally, if your website has some login fields or something that requires login, you may need to customize this page to offer a better experience. And how to do this for free is what you're gonna learn in today's video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. Let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over plugins menu. Click into the submenu, add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into search plugins, click and type Login Press, just like this. Login Press, WP Login Custom Login Page Customizer. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus once again, next to the comments, you're gonna be able to find a new menu called Login Press. Click on it. You're gonna be able to see the welcome message, okay? You can skip this step. And now you're gonna be directed to the plugin settings, okay? You can see the get started video. You can force password reset in the case that you want to force every user to reset the password. You can set decision to expire in just some minutes. You can set the auto remember me, custom password fields, login order, username or email, only username, only email, enable PCI compliance, language switcher, this is important, up to your website and how you work, okay? Lost password URL, reset customizer settings, remove settings on uninstall, up to you. Hit the save change button. Now let's move to auto login. That is a pro feature. You can see the hide login, also a pro features. Attempt, a pro feature as well. Redirect and social, all pro features, so nothing to do right here. Now let's move to the customizer, the best part of the plugin in my opinion. Sometimes the plugin requires some time to load. I will not cut the video so you can see it actually working. And right here you have all of the options, okay? We have themes. And there is some themes to play with. Most of them are premium, so you have to be the premium user to use, but there is some free ones. If you search properly, you're gonna be able to find some. Let's go back. There is the logo type. We can change the logo type. For example, uploading your company logo. Just like this. The widget. The H. We can apply some spaces. As you can see, there is lots of features. You can apply some URL to your logo, what is important, a link to your logo. You can apply a title to your logo, which also is very important. So only right here, you already have some good options to customize, okay? And you can apply some login favicon, okay? Let me show you. And spatial favicon for your login. Favicon, it's the icon that appears into your browser tab, okay? So remember that. Let's go back. Always remember to publish your set on your changes, okay? So hit the publish button into the upper corner. Now let's move to background. We have some presets backgrounds right here. And of course, you can apply some image and do the spacing settings. Can you enable a video into your login? Yes, you can, but we can explore this later into another tutorial, okay? Login form. We can customize the login form in the way that you want as well. Changing spacing, paddings. The forget form can be customized as well, up to you. We can enter a reCAPTCHA, but this is only a pro feature, unfortunately, but you can combine this with other plugins features and do this for free. You can explore this later as well. The bottom beauty, so the appearance of the bottom, you can customize the bottom in the way that you want and completely customize the bottom. Changing the color of the bottom, for example, just like this. There is some error message that you can change the messages in the way that you want for another language, for example, or for another texts, all up to you. You have the welcome message to play with as well, and you can even change the color. You can change the form footer. You can enter a copyright notice in the way that you want. I think it's important, so I'm going to enable that. You can enter Google Fonts if you're a premium user. You have options to apply custom CSS, AJS in the case that you want. And you can fully customize your login field. Simple, easy, and totally free. If you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. I'm gonna be happy in talking to you. And please, don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin, the best free WordPress plugin that when you install you gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, WP Bakery, and many more extra features, all for free, downloaded on WordPress.org. In addition, with our Enzo WordPress theme, a theme that gives you pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, also downloaded on WordPress.org. It's the best free WordPress theme. Moreover, in the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or to find a blog to collaborate with, go to growth3ws.net and find a collaborator or Outreach right here, okay? In addition, in the case that you want to promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design, go to sites.gallery. You can submit your blog for free, you can submit your site for free, your app, your game, okay? You can be promoted right here on our CSS gallery. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com and purchase the Visualmodo Pass and go premium. So you're gonna have access to all our WordPress themes, plugins, icons, templates, assets, and of course, hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for pre-built templates, icons, widgets, blocks, and many more tools to create the site of your dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.